Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the clarity of the picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture and go to the Adjust button next to the Filter section at the bottom of the page. And in the Adjust section, you can find the Clarity option next to the Denoise button. And just drag the circle on the line and you can edit the clarity of your picture. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.